Hey y'all, it's Jessica, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you 6 healthy meals that are all under 200 calories, and it's basically what I've been eating to lose 5 pounds in 2 weeks. So the first meal is a 90 calorie omelet. So yeah, it's really low calorie as long as you use egg whites instead of eggs. So it's 25 calories per 3 tablespoons, and we're going to be using about 6 tablespoons, so it's going to be about 50 calories just from the egg whites. And then next you're going to need some peppers and onions and some spinach as well to put in your omelet. And then you're going to use Tony's Sachet seasoning, which is 0 calories, so I use a lot of this. And you can also use onion powder as well, but that has about 24 calories per teaspoon, I think. And the last thing that you'll need is Pam cooking spray, which is 0 calories, which is really good. Like, a lot of people use olive oil or even vegetable oil for their omelets, but that is really high in calories. As you can see, it's 120 calories. So if you just use Pam cooking spray, you can turn that 120 calories into 0 calories. So first, what I'm doing here is I'm cutting up the peppers to go into my omelet, as well as onions. And just a fun fact, the red peppers are actually a lot more nutritious than the orange, the yellow, and the green peppers. So it's good to use a lot of the red peppers. So next you're gonna put your pan on the stove and then have the pan heat up a little bit before spraying the cooking spray. So just spray your cooking spray, making sure to get it like all on the sides as well. And then next add your peppers and onions. And then next I'm seasoning my peppers and onions with onion powder and Tony's. And I'm just mixing that up and then adding my spinach, because spinach actually cooks a lot faster than the peppers and onions, so it's good to add that last. And then next pour in your egg whites. And so as you can see, I'm like twirling the pan around, that way I'm like spreading the liquid egg whites all over. And then I do like this thing where I like lift up the edges just to make sure that it all cooks and you don't have like a liquidy omelet. And then lastly, I'm going to be flipping my omelet, and I'm not the best at this, but it actually came out pretty good. So that is how you make a 90 calorie egg white omelet. And you can also add cheese to your omelet, but just keep in mind it's going to add a little more calories. But I mean, it's 90 calories, so it can't be that bad. So next I'm going to be showing you how to make this 200 calorie strawberry banana smoothie. So you'll need strawberries, bananas, some artificial sugar, milk, and ice. So first what I'm doing is I'm cutting off the top of the leaf part of the strawberries, and then I added milk, and then I'm just breaking up the banana and then adding that into my blender as well. And then I'm going to be adding Splenda sugar, which Splenda sugar, it says 0 calories, but it's actually 3 calories per packet. So just keep that in mind, that 0 calorie sugar is not actually 0 calories. And then lastly, you just blend it all together, and then that's it. That's how you make the strawberry banana smoothie. And smoothies are really good because they are very, very filling, so it'll keep you full for a very long time. And so next what I'm going to be showing you how to make is this vegetable wrap. So you will need some squash, peppers and onions, the same seasoning that we used for the omelet, a whole wheat tortilla, and cheese. So the whole wheat tortilla is about 100 calories, and then the cheese is 110 calories per 1/3 cup. So just keep that in mind when you're adding it. You don't want to add too much cheese. But first what I'm doing is I'm adding the squash and the onions and peppers to the pan, and I'm going to be seasoning it with Tony's and onion powder, again just like we did the omelet. And then I'm just going to be mixing that up. And then next, add your vegetables to your tortilla wrap, and then you can sprinkle some cheese on there. Like I said, don't go overboard with the cheese if you want to keep it under 200 calories. And then just fold up your tortilla. And yep, I should work at Chipotle. I did that so good. Next, I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious grilled chicken Caesar salad. So you'll need this Caesar salad kit, or you can just get some Parmesan cheese and some Caesar dressing, as well as some grilled chicken. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to cut up your grilled chicken. So this chicken was already grilled and it was just in the fridge, so I had to heat it up. So I'm using the Pam cooking spray, which I basically use for everything that I cook, because like I said, it's only 0 calories. And then I'm also seasoning it with Tony's, because that's also 0 calories. So just wait for that chicken to heat up. And so as you can see, the Caesar salad kit basically comes with everything. It comes with the Caesar dressing, the croutons, and the Parmesan cheese. So just put your grilled chicken on your salad, add a little bit of the Caesar dressing and a little bit of the cheese, but don't go overboard because those are high in calorie, and then add a few croutons. And so that is how you make this delicious grilled chicken Caesar salad. Next, I'm going to be showing you how to make this yummy cheesy baked potato, and it's only 200 calories. So if you're craving something cheesy, this will satisfy your craving instead of getting pizza. So the first thing you need to do is heat up a baked potato in the microwave for about 9 minutes. And then after that's done, like, beat it up a little bit. This will like break down like the inside and stuff a little bit. And then cut it open and spread it out. And it was like extremely hot, so it was really hard for me to do this. And then I'm just adding some salt and pepper, and then sprinkling a little bit of cheese on it. And it was just so good. Like, look how good that looks, y'all. It's so good. So the last meal is actually a meal replacement. It's these Quest protein bars, and they are so good. My favorite flavors are the birthday cake ones and the double chocolate chunk. They're both 180 calories, so they're really low in calorie, and it's literally like eating a Hershey's chocolate bar or something like really sweet. And it's 20 grams of protein, and the birthday cake one is actually 21 grams, but they're perfect for after a workout. They're so sweet. Like, look at that confetti, y'all. Like, it's so sweet. And so, yep, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe. Peace.